Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today we will review about 1080p HD car dash camera with rear view and amp motion detection. In the fast-paced world of technology, automotive accessories are keeping pace with innovations to enhance safety and convenience. The 1080p HD car dash camera with rear view and amp motion detection is one such product designed to provide drivers with a comprehensive solution for recording their journeys. In this review, we will delve into the features, performance, and overall value of this dash camera. Key features. The standout feature of this dash camera is its 1080p HD resolution, ensuring crystal-clear video footage that captures crucial details. The addition of a rear-view camera enhances its functionality, offering a complete picture of both the front and rear surroundings. Motion detection is another noteworthy feature that automatically starts recording when any motion is detected, providing an added layer of security. Design and build quality. The dash camera boasts a sleek and compact design that seamlessly integrates into the car's interior. The build quality feels robust, with durable materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use and varying weather conditions. The mount is adjustable, allowing users to find the optimal angle for recording. Installation. Setting up the 1080p HD car dash camera is a breeze, even for those with limited technical expertise. The package includes a comprehensive manual that guides users through the installation process step by step. The necessary mounting hardware is also provided, ensuring a secure and stable setup. Video quality. The camera's 1080p HD resolution delivers sharp and detailed video footage, capturing license plates, road signs, and other essential information with clarity. Both day and night recordings are impressive thanks to the camera's high-quality lens and low-light performance. The rear-view camera complements the overall video quality, providing a complete view of the vehicle's surroundings. Motion detection and parking mode. The motion detection feature adds an extra layer of security, automatically triggering recording when any movement is detected around the vehicle. This is particularly useful when the car is parked, as the dash camera can capture potential incidents or vandalism. The parking mode ensures that your vehicle is protected even when you're not behind the wheel. User interface and controls. The user interface is intuitive, with a user-friendly menu that allows for easy navigation through settings. The controls are responsive, and the on-screen icons are clear and concise. The dash camera's interface is designed to be simple yet effective, catering to a wide range of users. Storage and loop recording. Equipped with a sizable storage capacity, the dash camera supports large-capacity memory cards, ensuring ample space for recording hours of footage. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites older files when the storage is full, preventing users from having to manually manage files. This ensures that the camera is always ready to capture new footage without interruption. Connectivity and compatibility. The dash camera offers multiple connectivity options, including USB and HDMI ports for easy data transfer. It is compatible with a variety of devices, allowing users to review and share footage seamlessly. The dash camera also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling convenient access to recorded videos via a dedicated app on smartphones. Conclusion. In conclusion,